times have you gone out for a walk or maybe a hike in the woods and you see a bird or you hear a bird that you just can't identify? Kind of drives you crazy. I'm hoping this video will show you how to identify some of the more common birds that you may encounter. We can't identify them all, there's just too many. But we'll get some of the basics. Come on, let me show you. We're going to start out first with the birds that you might see in your own backyard. Let's go check them out. Everybody should know those. The blue jay, the cardinal, the robin. Oh, good. One nice way to increase the bird presence in your backyard is to put a bird feeder out. Let's see what kind of birds we get at the bird feeder. Hear the blue jay in the background? See that? We're already learning. Let's try not to get too confused on these sparrows. I know there's a lot of them to watch. Alright, we checked out a lot of easier ones. Now, let's go deeper into the woods and let's check out some more. Let's go see. Hey, now let's go take a look at some of our bigger birds, some of those more majestic ones. They're pretty good size, they're pretty cool.
Oh my God. That's really cool.
Hey, let's go take a look at some of the birds we find around water sources, whether it's rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Let's go check it out. These warblers, there's just so many types, they'll drive you crazy. How about that footage? Wasn't that cool? You know, people have often asked when I'm bird watching, what's the most frustrating thing you've seen, or what's the craziest thing you've seen? And I gotta tell you, the most frustrating thing about bird watching is the classic, I can hear you, but I can't see you. So I've been asked several times, what's the most unique thing you've seen out there? Well, I've seen this thing several times and I've given it a name. You can see this thing in any hemisphere. You can see it on all 7 continents of the world. It has been known to fly low. It's been known to soar up high with the great ones. And I call it the silver belly stiff wing. Hey, I know what you're thinking. this video's for the birds, right? I know, what are you gonna do? Hope you learned something from this video. We had fun doing it. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger. Just another backyard project.